Hello there. Today we will fix the tail light issue on a 2017 Yukon XL, and this model is the same model as from the 2014, if I'm not mistaken, to the 2019. And my tail light is coming in and out. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. So I will do something to try to fix that issue that I think the GM is aware of, but it's something with the motherboard circuit. All right, okay, let's do it now. First, open my back door, and this one is the first you will need a screwdriver, something to pop this plastic that they have here. I already popped mine, so when you pop, remove. Okay, as you can see, and then you have to remove those two screws to remove the tail light. You will need something like this. Sure, see, old one. All right, and I will be working on it. As you can see, this tail light is not working. Sometimes the brake light, sometimes the whole tail light. Like you can see, the side light is working, but compared to the right side, you can see, this side you cannot see, but the right side is working. So we work on this now. It has been removed. That's how it look like. Okay. Okay, those motherboard I believe are somewhere around here. Side around here. So, not on that. So we'll be carrying two those things. Mark for the brake light. Contours knob 1, 2, 3, 4, and right here. That's where you want to cut the thin layer cut. So the brake light, also for the tail light, it will be down here, right there. If it's where it's marked, you can see from here, thin cut and left it. All right, that's what we'll be doing. As you can see, I cut the first one, the motherboard exposed, and this is where the soldering will happen. Okay, let me adjust my iPad. Right here, this line here, see there is a crack right here, and here's almost cracked. So we'll solder here so to reinforce that connection. Okay. All right, I exposed the two motherboard for the brake and tail light. You can see this is for the brake, and this one's for the tail light. It's almost have a crack here. It's starting for the tail light, so I will solder here, and for the brake, it's crack here. I will do the soldering there too. All right.
Got it.
You started?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. These are the two parts of the motherboard. I will be soldering here and here to make that connection. And here, this is for the tail light. This one is for the brake light. Right here, as you can see, the crack is starting here, so I will be soldering here. All right, and this should be fixing the problem. There you go. We'll see. All right. You can stop. All right, I finished my soldering. As you can see here, solder on this side for the tail light. For the tail light wasn't that bad, but the crack was happening. And for the brake light, I did the soldering. It's kind of wild. I just was not, the angle was too tight, so I just did something to reinforce that connection. All right, and I already did the test. I think we'll be working. So I will now cover with the epoxy welding plastic. I will cover those sides so water cannot get in. Okay, I will put the original the remove portion, and then I will put some plastic over it to like type of glue to close it. All right, let's see what happened. All right, I did my epoxy welding plastic solving so the water won't get inside there, and then I will go install and see how it works. All right. As you can see, my lights are working. The lights are working. Nothing was wrong with this one here, but it was the left one. All right, let's see how the brake light works. This is the brake light. It's working. All right. Let's see if all the light is working.